hustler, when they hustle, I'm more tight. She hustle pass it, man.
Darling, when did you bring back a new car?
My mechanic bring her.
Wow.
My mechanic can bring her. I want to show you something.
What could that be?
I'll show you something now. Yeah, sorry. You look at first.
Okay. What is it for?
Uniform, please. I mean, no stress yourself. The uniform.
My uniform?
Yes. I don't check the cap. Go size your head. The shirt and the trouser. It could just fit you like say they born you with them. So no worry.
Wait. I mean, must I use a uniform with you?
Yes. You must wear uniform. Because at the uniform, I be the level. I be the packaging. Yeah, by the time you reach airport now, when we start now, because I know what the flight schedule for my head. I know when they go land. I know when they go take off. Once you reach there now, you dress like this. By the time they look at those other taxi people say that they sweat for their armpits. They go price and say, 250.
What kind of problem is this? Did I tell Philo that I want to do taxi driving work?
What do they think?
Nothing. I mean, I like the new uniform. It's beautiful.
I know you, my husband. I know you now. I know what you like. I thought you say you go fix you like say they born you with her.
I like it. Oh, so I'll be driving this one then, and you'll be driving this one.
No. Not be just to say you the driver, I'm the driver. You go to use this one to do taxi. Me, I go to use this one to do taxi. Husband and wife, twin together.
And I'll be wearing this.
Yes, because when you bring your own, I bring my own. We'll grow. You wear uniform. Twin with your wife. So now be that.
It's okay.
You like her.
I like it.
Okay.
I like it.
Philo na hustler. Philo na hustler. When they hustle, I'm more tight. She hustle pass it, man. Taxi driver. Serious taxi driver. Philo they hustle.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.